Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can become a delivery driver for Temu. So let's get right into it. Now, Temu as a company does not have their own delivery drivers. There is no courier service which is included in Temu services. However, they do partner with the pretty much biggest shipping services within the region which you are selected in uh, for whichever region you select your account to be in. And pretty much that is the way in which you can deliver for Temu. Now, you won't be delivering for Temu exclusively. You'll be delivering for whichever packages the company gets and requires you to ship. However, if you're willing to ship for Temu, the only way to do it is pretty much just to, well, just get hired at the delivery service which Temu uses in your region. Now, you can figure out which delivery service Temu uses using their chatbot. So, for example, uh, which delivery services does Temu use for the UK, as an example, and it'll list out pretty much which delivery services are used. Usually, it's going to be like FedEx, UPS, USPS, and etc. etc. And as you can see, your current account has not yet successfully placed an order on Temu. I'll just go ahead. Which delivery services do you use? I'm not sure why this is answering like this. The bot does sometimes glitch out and get confused. However, you can, I'm pretty sure, very easily I'll find out what it uses. As you can see, it finally answered. Usually it uses Royal Mail, Every, and Yodel, so you can just apply for jobs in those companies if you find out which companies they use in your region. And once you get accepted there, you will become a delivery driver, which will, of course, include team products. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.